Welcome to Drone News Now. Welcome to Drone U HQ. As always, my name is Paul and welcome to this week's Drone News. As many of you know, the Mavic 4 Pro leaks have gone unhinged as it is now expected for the drone to be released May 13th with the main feature being the spin shot. The same spin shot that we showed here on the news show about a month ago. So you were first to see it here, first to be leaked. Now that being said, a lot of people are wondering what the true price point of the aircraft itself will be. Someone leaked online that it would essentially be 2,769 euros for the Fly More combo. That would put the drone at about $3,145 in USD. But a lot of people are wondering, with these new tariffs being 145%, that would actually put the cost of the drone closer to $7,000. Now, that being said, rumors swirl that DJI imported these drones before the tariffs took place, meaning that a lot of stores will have stock of the Mavic 4 Pro. So only time will tell whether it'll be super expensive to buy the new Mavic 4 Pro and it'll be in your best interest to wait, or they might have stock already ready to go at lower prices. If that's the case, you might want to jump on it. But if you're looking for serious drone jobs that you can get with the government, you might want to look for something other than DJI. In our next piece of news, a whole new drone company has emerged out of Silicon Valley. They've actually been around for a few years, but they have been flying way below the radar. We're talking about Sifly. They're a new company that's based out of Silicon Valley, and they aim to take on companies like DJI. Don't just take my word for it. They said it themselves. In fact, they want to create longer flight times and higher payload capacities than someone like DJI. I guess the question is, can this new Silicon Valley startup actually disrupt the industry and create a great solution for many drone pilots out there? Or is it simply just vapor in the air? Only time will tell. But let's take a quick closer look at this drone. And honestly, it's all design. We haven't seen a real product just yet, so it'll be very interesting to see what happens, as many who have been in the drone industry for a long time have seen these companies come and go just like the wind. In our next piece of news, a bombshell has occurred with American drone manufacturing as Red Cat drops the ball and Skydio seizes the Army's SSR contract. That's right, Red Cat lost the Army drone contract due to fulfillment issues. It's not quite clear exactly what happened, but it did open up the door for Skydio to step in. Honestly, the US military has been purchasing the Skydio X10Ds, and they were able to provide them right away, as Skydio has been scaling up their manufacturing as a whole and have found new places to acquire their supply chain outside of China. Didn't take them long, which is honestly surprising and good news for American drone manufacturing. AeroVironment has unveiled a new Kamikaze drone. AeroVironment is another drone manufacturer. This has a 400-kilometer range and a 10-kilogram payload. This is its new loitering munition. The Red Dragon is making waves in defense circles, as this could be a game changer for tactical warfare as a whole. It's an interesting aircraft, and in all honesty, seems to be quite promising. But maybe not as promising as some rumored news that just came out an hour ago before I wanted to record this show, as it looks like Anduril is now partnering with Palantir. That could be a partnership that completely changes the game for AI and drones as a whole. Maybe Anduril is the Skynet that we all fear. Maybe it's the saving grace for our military. Only time will tell. That's going to do it for this week's Drone News. Thanks again for joining me. As always, we greatly appreciate it. We will see you next week, or we'll see you at an in-person drone training where you can learn from experienced instructors. Also, don't forget, we are the only drone training school that offers training on American drones. So check it out, thedroneu.com.